Recording.
This, lovely people, is the group of the planes, and Wendy and I are here to talk about your, oops, low battery. We're here to talk about your line drawings and hopefully encourage you to be very experimental and playful. So these are Scott's 2 lines, nice contrast.
Oh. Okay, here's all of them.
So I think overall, it was helpful, Wendy, for you to show them all at once. It was very helpful because they feel very similar, the first 3. It's almost like you're just swapping out a few things, but they really feel very much like the same thing. And I didn't make that like a strong selling point in the assignment at all. So I appreciate the consistency, but I would encourage you to really, take this egg beater somewhere completely different. And that's why I even recommended the collage, combining lines. But even as we look at your first 3, yeah, for example, that one, the line of the marker, and then, the bold and the delicate, it's not really that bold. It's just a slightly heavier weight. So, fill that in so it's completely black and really emphasize that contrast. Yeah, same with this. Just really push the idea. Right now we're looking at dotted lines and straight lines. I'm not seeing a lot of organic curving lines or something that feels like it's from a different suite. And then the fourth,
the bold feels a little bit shy, like you were saying.
Yeah. And then let's go to your final, the collage, which is the idea of the collage is also to help people maybe just free up your technique. And this, I would say it does. This feels like, again, it's like a person, but I see all these different kinds of lines that you did in your experiments. So don't hesitate to, think about using some of those experiments in these finished pieces, much like you've done here. I also appreciate on your collage, your attention to detail, and it just felt really nicely composed. Yeah, very, very thoughtful composition on all of them, really. Okay, and that was Scott. So we will see Angela next. Angela? One continuous line definitely feels like it. Really beautiful. The gear in particular has a beautiful organic fluidity. Well, that's abstract.
Yeah.
Whoa, nice contrast. I'm curious what the tool is on the left. Really nice. Yeah. I think I'd like to just see a little bit more egg beater. They're really zoomed in on some shapes. I'd like to get just a little bit more sense of this object, but on this one in particular, I really love those heavy black marks. That's something we have not seen. And even on the left where the tool kind of runs out, I think that's also a wonderful thing when that happens.
Yeah, for sure. This is the bold that we've been talking about.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
So much color.
Angela, what class are you in? This is a fabulous collage, but we were looking at black and white from your line experiments. This is really stunning, but not exactly what we were looking for in the assignment. Whoa. Right?
Yeah.
That is,
I'm like, it's so weird seeing so much color all at once after seeing so many black and white ones.
I know.
Kind of like, I'm afraid of it.
I see, right? I see the egg beater forms in this one pretty well, but yeah. Bravo for completely doing a different assignment. It's gorgeous. Okay, that was exciting and a surprise. So
unexpected.
Yes. So next we have Anna. And if your name is Anna, I apologize for calling you Anna. Beautiful, continuous line. Very simple, terrific. two different kinds of line. Again, appreciating that heavy bold mark, which we haven't seen enough of that. So I appreciate seeing that. Very nice contrast.
I like this line.
Yeah, agree. Yeah, beautiful contrast. And then this also, once again, I will applaud your abstraction. I'm loving the heavy black line in the background of that one collage piece, but I really appreciate the abstraction. I still can make out an egg beater, or, you know, in your case, an electric egg beater here. I think this is one of the strongest ones of your suite. Yeah, very nice. And you notice how I don't even comment on the color after what we just saw. It's like, oh,
Oh yeah, you're
put a
right.
little color. It's
I
like, oh, a little
didn't,
color.
hesitate about it. I'm like, yeah, sure.
Why not? Okay, so that's the lovely planes. And thank you all. And make sure that you continue to experiment and be very playful in your mark making.